Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to demonstrate this 1930s German coffee grinder by KyM and Mollman. This is a fairly large lap grinder. Incidentally, if you're looking to try and date a coffee grinder, one thing to look for is these joints. These are called finger joints because they fit together like fingers, and if you see finger joints, that usually tells you it's an early grinder, probably before 1950. This is a model 369. I suppose the interesting thing is that this model has an adjuster on top of the mechanism rather than inside. So that means it's what's called a step adjuster. It's not a completely variable grind. You've got to go in the steps marked by the notches on this adjuster here. The thing I like most about it is this painted orange hopper cover, which is actually, I think, probably a 1970s colour, but here making an appearance in the 1930s. Anyway, the test or demonstration is going to be the same as always. We're going to grind 7 grams of coffee, which is 1 serving on the finest setting, and we're going to look and see how fast the grinder grinds and how fine it grinds as well. So first things first, we've got to adjust the grinder, and this one is done by lifting the spring and then turning the collar. There we go. Burrs are touching but not under too much pressure. 7 grams of coffee, and let's see how it does. So we got about 50 turns there to grind 1 serving, so it's not a slow grinder, not a fast one, in the middle really. But what we have got, I don't know if you can see that, but we've got a really nice fine powdery grind, compacting really nicely. So very nice grinder. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more of this grinder or other grinders, check out the links at the end of the video or in the description. Have a good day.